Hi there, have you got a minute? Let's educate, inspire and empower your photography, one 60-second photo tip at a time. Are you sick of ugly reflections on glass or water or flat lifeless skies? This simple filter fixes all of that right in camera. It's called a polarizing filter and it's a game changer. It cuts reflections by up to 90% so you can see through windows, deepen those skies and boost colour without going anywhere near Photoshop. Just twist it while looking through your viewfinder or screen and you'll see reflection vanish like magic. But be aware, it does block a bit of light, so keep an eye on your exposure. It even works for portraits, reducing shine on skin, sunglasses and clothes. So for cleaner, more vibrant photos, this filter fixes reflections, sky and colours right in camera. If you want the full breakdown, demos and tips to use it like a pro, watch the full video next. It's linked below or right here on the screen, and I'll see you there. That was your Focus Bite. I'm Anthony, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you soon.